Hello, family. Welcome back. Hey, welcome back. Welcome back, family. Hey, and if you're new to this channel, my name is Amber, and on this channel, we review fragrances and body care, and we sip a little tea from here and there. Yo, sis may go left, but that's okay. Just subscribe, give me the thumbs up, comment down below. I would love to get to know you and meet you. Hey, family. Hey, I hope you all are doing well. Hey, new family. Y'all might not be coming in because I've been gone for quite a while. But hey, family. Yes, yo sis is back. I am going to change my taping day. So hopefully that gets me back on track. But your girl is here in the flesh. Don't worry about the light. Light's still broken. But we still going to keep carrying on. So thought I would start off with my top 5 from my March fragrance tray. Those who have seen, great. Those who have not, catch up with your girl. My April tray is going to be a little bit delayed, but it will be here. It'll be in this month. Just be a little delayed because we got so much to talk about, so much to catch up on. Either way, I wanted to start off with this beauty. I was invested, let's just say. Very much obsessed, addicted, all the things, right? Before we even hit the spring, okay? Throughout this crazy weather, I was all in on this fragrance, and that is none other than Lamar from the House of Beau. I have been in my House of Beau bag, okay? I can't wait to show you, but I have been in the bag, okay? I have one still on its way. It has not gotten here, but I did get another new one. Either way, we're not talking about that. We are talking about this beauty. Now, if you love a good coconut, but you don't mind gardenia, right? It's a heavy in the floral, so I'm not even going to hold you up. But if you love a good fresh floral, or really heavy floral, but some coconut, so some tropical vibes in there. I was wearing this down, so many compliments, and it's just fresh, right? If you don't want to be very powerful where you're like slapping everybody in the room, but you want to make an impact and smell fresh, this is the fragrance for you. I would highly recommend, but yo sis has been into white florals lately. So this was right up my alley. Enjoyed it down, and yeah. Get your nose on it, sis. All right, moving on. Next up, another white floral. I'm telling you, I have been into white florals, but this is jasmine and musk. And I believe there's a newer fragrance of this fragrance out there in the streets, and you all have been talking about it. I still need to get my nose on it. Haven't gotten there yet. But this is Pure Musk, okay, from Narciso Rodriguez for her. Now, this beauty right here, if you are looking for a beautiful musk fragrance, look no further. This has to be a part of your collection, right? If you like orange blossom, some jasmine. Now, you might not like the jasmine, but I feel like this is so silky smooth. And this also has cashmere, so I feel like that's what gives this that kind of smooth, silky type of feel to this. If you love, again, a good musk fragrance, I loved it. I mean, maybe this is the season that I just need to be in my white floral bag and being fresh and beautiful and, just smell like a bed of roses. Maybe that is what I'm on this season, but I have enjoyed this fragrance in this month of March, and she has got me compliments. It's been even very soothing, right? Like, I know how lavender kind of gives you this kind of soothing and spa-like feel, but this really was my jam. Okay, I love this so much. So if you have this in your collection, sis, pull it out because you might need a little soothing relief in this season. Clearly, I'm taping now, so I need some soothing relief and do something that I love, okay? We'll get into it. But Narciso Rodriguez, for her, Pure Musk, Great fragrance. I loved wearing that in the month of March. So next up, the queen of all queens, okay? The Latonic queen of all queens with your floral, white floral notes in there. So, okay, but let's get into this, okay? From Blanche Bette, y'all know, you already knew. Blanche Bette from A Liquid's Imaginaire. Look at this thing. The foolery, okay? To a point, I kept looking at this like, girl, you have to re-up on this. You're going to have to re-up on this because this has to be, hands down, ooh, this has to be in my collection for life. This is a for lifer. If I were to make a video for life, this is it. Because there is not another creamy musk fragrance that I need. Like, I don't know. Maybe there's something out there that's better. It's just not a part of my collection. Because this will always be in my collection, and it is such a creamy musk fragrance that I am addicted, cannot get off my mind, kept reaching for it, hence the dent. And you know your sis, and you know sis and dents. This was amazing, absolutely chef's kiss. Highly recommend if you have Blanche Bette, or if you were thinking about getting Blanche Bette, sis, get your nose on it. Go ahead, get it out the way because it is a pretty pity. So get your nose on it, get it out the way, and go ahead and add to cart and check out. You need that. You need this fragrance for sure, for sure, for sure. Next up, a fragrance I was wearing to bed quite a lot and really enjoyed this fragrance. It has black currant in this. It also has like this musk kind of feel to it. You all kind of get the sense of what I was doing in March. Okay, cool. As long as we know. And then it has the rose in it. And this is Tiffany & Co. Rose Gold. This is amazing, you all. Great bed scents. Like, this was the bestie for the March bed, okay? It just gives me pretty princess, okay? Like rose gold, pretty princess, very luxe, but like you can definitely wear this to bed. It's a very beautiful, fruity with like that black currant, so it gives like this berryness, this juiceness, but it is so great and fresh and, you know, soothing with this iris, with the rose in it. It's just so beautiful. It's so beautiful. The musk, it's a beautiful fragrance. You can actually wear this on errands, but yo sis was wearing it to bed and it was a chef's kiss. Beautiful dreams, okay? So no regrets on this beauty for the month of March. And last but certainly not least, a sweet tropical fruity fragrance that gave me a run for my money because I really wasn't checking for this kind of end of winter going into spring season, but it worked. It worked every time I wore it. It just was everything. And I'm talking about from the House of Oud, Keep Glaze. Do you all have this beautiful egg? And then we're in the season of Easter. Like, do you all have this? We're in the season of Easter, but that's not why I put it on my tray, okay? I put it on my tray because I wanted to try it and it did not disappoint, okay? You hear, your sister did not disappoint and was smelling good. Compliments, yes, a compliment getter. To a point, and maybe this is like an unpopular thing I'm about to say, but I feel like this can go for my bros, like my brothers out there, my male cousins, right? If you don't mind wearing a fruity type of fragrance, men, but has a little depth, right? Or a lot of depth, has some, wood notes in this, I think you can get away with this. What do you all think? Comment down below. I think you can get away with this. It gives me unisex. Like, I wouldn't be turned off if a man was wearing this. Anyway, I was wearing it. A lot. And it was so good, you all. Like, this I thought was only going to be great in like the winter season, like heavy winter. But honey, it changed my mind and I kept reaching for it and paired it with all types of things, like all types of body mist. Like, this is a goer, okay? So I absolutely love Keep Glaze from the House of Oud. If you have ever gotten your nose on this, you know what I'm talking about. But if you need to get your nose on it, you grown, help yourself, okay? Do the thing. Moving on. Well, that's all, fam, for my top 5 from my fragrance tray from the month of March, okay? What were you rocking with? What were you wearing? I would love to know. Catch me up on the catching up. Did you miss your sis? I missed you all, okay? I miss my fam. And I'm back. And if I miss some days, just, work with me. Your sis, again, has taken on a lot more with the job. Okay, and so I would love to continue to do the things that I love and that I want to do for myself. And so I'm doing them today. So let me know your thoughts. What were you wearing? And let's chat it up, okay? But until next time, be good to yourself. Give yourself some grace. And if no one has told you that you are more than enough, okay, tell them. Your sis just did. Bye, fam. I love you so much. Bye.